Ai. Tomorrow I'm going to Porto, in the north of Portugal, to spend the weekend, and I'm going to participate in an event that's like a skateboard event. And this year it's going to be the first time that they have BMX. The event is called Som de Rua, and it's going to be fun. First day is going to be tomorrow, Friday. I arrive at 2 in the afternoon, and then gonna dismantle the bike. Good morning. So today we're going to Porto. All my stuff is packed. My bag, my bike with my clothes. Yeah, we're gonna have fun. Gonna hop into the bus soon and see you in the north. We're in Porto. Hello. So I'm already in Porto. I'm currently in Maia, Cidade de Maia, and it's already like what, seven something. I'll make a summary of what happened today. I'm actually currently on the skate park that the jam is gonna happen tomorrow. And basically today I woke up early to go catch the bus for our ride to here. Then I arrived and Guy was waiting for me. So I put the bike up together. I didn't want to film anything. I was just like, man, I'm tired of the trip. I want to just put the bike together, go leave the stuff at home and go ride. So that's what we did. Like I stored the stuff at home. Then we went for a ride and we went to ride streets, and I got those clips that you already saw before this, and then we ended up here at the skate park where I got 1 or 2 clips. I tried to film the other guys as well, but yeah, this is what I got. It's a beautiful fucking day. Tomorrow is promising. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. Probably most of the footage is gonna be vertical, just like the other jam that I went to. And yeah, that's it. Lazy motherfuckers. It's 10 in the night. We're going home. Finally. Diga.
Suar mais 20 litros.
All fun and games. This is steep as fuck.
Mais produto da Garnier. Espuma natural.
Ué. Sabedoria.
Essas gozar os meus foros.
Aonde? Qual deles?
Vamos lá tentar.
Ah, juro.
Foi. Ontem ele tinha que ir na garagem.
Good morning. Arrived super early today at the park. Guy's part of the I mean, I'm staying at Guy's house and he's part of the organization. So yeah, I'm here. We've got the Red Bull van. They're setting up the stuff there. There's gonna be a stage all the way there, and the airbag's gonna be around there. So today's promising. So the event has just started. This is currently the skateboard best trick on the pyramids. For the BMX, the first spot is going to be on the street. One spot that I rode yesterday, the double set and the curbs. I'm going to try to film. Probably cannot film anything. I'm going to ask someone to film it there. everyone. I'm actually already returning home to Lisbon. I'm having dinner. It's 10 in the night. I've got my prize from the event, best rider of the day. Today I only stayed at home to rest because I was super tired. You saw what I did the first day, and hopefully you saw what I did the second day in the event as well, because unfortunately we weren't many people riding. A lot of people didn't show up, and so it wasn't really a thing to ask people to film because we weren't many and we were riding. But there were a couple of videographers and photographers there, and I'll see if I can have the clips and post them on the video. I've had a blast, and we're supposed to have the same event next year, but now we'll see, maybe with sponsors. Talking about sponsors, with the prize, I got a hat and a shirt from Icon BMX store, our BMX store in Portugal. I'm super thankful for them for supporting the event, because this is something that we don't have a lot in Portugal. We don't really have many events. This is a big event in the skateboarding industry already in Portugal, and them being able to include the BMXers is amazing, and I'm super grateful for that. Unfortunately, we weren't many, but we'll see if next year more people can come and we can have a better time and overall enjoy ourselves more. So thank you guys for sticking in, and yeah, I'm gonna make my way home. See you next video.